Hello everyone. Today my topic is alter table command. So the alter table command is used to add, delete or modify columns in an existing table. So it means that by using alter table command we can add, delete or modify columns in an existing table. So here is an example. I have already create a table name teacher, which is this one is an existing table. So if I want to add one column more in the teacher table, so I've already created, so now I can't go to this statement and execute this statement. So I can use to add one column in the teacher table, then I must use the alter table statement. So here we can add one or more columns by using alter table statement. So here is the syntax of alter table command. Alter table name, which table you want to add column. So this is the add, so this is the keyword, so you have to mention this add in the alter table command. So column name, which column which you want to add, and the data type. It is similar as create table statement. So adding a column, suppose you want to add a column date of birth in the teacher table. So I've already created a table name which is teacher. So I want to add one column in the teacher table. So here is the uh, here is the code how we can write the how we can add column in the alter table, in how we can add one column in the teacher table statement. Alter table name is teacher. So write teacher and write add. So I want to add a column date of birth. So write date of birth and the data type is date. So data type is a data type. So by writing this statement, one more column is added in the teacher table statement. So date of birth is added in the teacher table. Thank you.